Morning, guys. It is Friday morning. Just getting our day started. Just came out of Walmart here, parked here last night, and went in this morning, did some shopping, get some supplies for my upcoming overnight backpacking trip. Gonna go Sunday overnight to Monday. Like to do a two-nighter, but I got a load for tomorrow, and so we got to do that for Saturday. Got to deliver this one today, go back down to Fulton, pick up another one, and deliver it tomorrow, and then go on home. Should be home tomorrow evening about 7 if everything stays on track, and I'll get my stuff ready and go out Sunday backpacking. Alright, just made my drop and hook at Waterbury. And it was just a single drop and hook today. They had pulled the empty out of the dock for me. They hadn't done that in a while. So that makes it a lot easier that way. On our way back down to Fulton, New York. We got one more to do and then we're going to be off. We'll be off Sunday, Monday, and we'll go back to work Tuesday afternoon. Really looking forward to a little backpacking trip. Gonna go Sunday midday, just a short hike, say like about 2 miles. 2 miles uphill, carrying a heavy backpack. We're gonna have my nephew's coming with me, Tyler, and we're gonna have our tents. We each got our own tent, sleeping bags, food, clothing, water. We're gonna have to carry a bunch of water with us because as far as I can tell, the spring that is there is dry right now. We haven't had a whole lot of rain in the last couple of weeks. So the spring is dry, and I looked on the Catskill Information website, or the Visitor Center website, and asked a question about the spring, and they said, yeah, it's dry. So there is another spring off another trail nearby, but it's not the way we're going, and we'd have to hike down and get to it. And so we'll just bring a bunch of water with us. Probably camel up, drink a lot of water right when we get started before we leave the pickup truck, and probably carry 3 or 4 liters of water a piece. So our packs are going to be pretty heavy. Plus I'll be carrying my camera gear, and Tyler will be carrying 1 camera. So that's why I picked an easy one for our first overnight adventure, I'll call it. But we see what kind of footage we can get. Hopefully the sun will be out. The sun has come out here now. It was cloudy earlier, as you saw in the video, but it's come out now, but it is hazy. Probably the camera's not really picking up the colors up on the mountains around me here. And they're really not getting near. They probably got another a week to 10 days before they really peak up here on top of these mountains. So hopefully we'll get a nice clear day where the cameras will pick it up at some point next week. So right now we're headed back to get on the ferry, go across Lake Champlain, and back on down to Fulton. So we'll get down there and have dinner. We got to get fuel tonight. I think we're going to get fuel tonight. Really don't actually have to. It just makes it easier for when I go back to work. We'll see what kind of time I got left and everything when I'm down there doing my drop and hook, picking up the loaded trailer. So see if we can make it back to Malone tonight. If not, we'll be staying in Potsdam for sure. But it is a nice afternoon here. We got 70 degrees right now. It's kind of been a pretty nice week, really, all week, except for some cloudiness. But temperatures have been good. Warm during the day, cool at night. Keep watching the weather for our weekend backpacking trip, and they keep changing it around on me. We're getting closer though. They might be zeroing in on the real forecast. But right now they're saying cloudy early on Sunday, but clearing in the afternoon, which would be good, so we can get some good video of the views. Hopefully that the forecast is good. And then depending on which weather site you look at. One says there's a chance of showers early Monday morning, and some of the other ones say chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, I guess. Alright guys, I'm back down here at Fulton, and bummer. Last load of the week and it is not ready. Not going to be ready till 4 a.m. So, going to have to take our break here and pick it up in the morning. So, I think what I'm going to do is make myself some dinner, which I'm going to have bacon and eggs for dinner. And then I'm going to go for a walk for about an hour and go to bed, I guess. So we'll get up about 6 a.m. make sure the load's ready before I start my clock. And I'm going to park right here, so I'm just going to walk over to the office and get my paperwork. So we'll make sure that it is ready before I start my day, and be a long day again tomorrow then. I always look forward to Saturdays because it's a shorter day. I just go and drop my load at Waterbury, Vermont, and then head home. So not working out this week. But we had a short day today, I guess. A shorter day. But we will see what happens. Hopefully they'll be ready when I get up at 6. They said it's going to be ready at 4 a.m. and it's already pre-billed, meaning the bills are already done. They're just waiting on. They said it's like 90% loaded, but there's some product that they're waiting for the plant here to finish making so they can put it on the truck. So it's supposed to be 4 a.m. We'll see what happens. Anyway, let's make some bacon and eggs and go for a walk. Alright guys, we're just getting back to the truck here. We're going to end up with roughly almost 2.5 miles. Nice walk. Walk off that bacon and eggs I had for dinner. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you on the next video. Everybody take care, be well. Bye for now.